We've come today to let our kids participate in the Blyth-wide soccer tournament and give them a chance to meet some students from across our other Blyth campuses.
It's really nice just to be able to come together. We get to meet a bunch of different kids from different schools and different experiences that they've shared.
It's great for our teachers and staff to get to work together and bounce ideas off each other, and for the kids it's great because we're small campuses, small schools, everyone kind of comes from a different background. It's a great chance for everyone to meet new people and really have some fun.
The Blyth community is awesome. We know each other on a first name basis, whether it's principals, guidance counselors, other campus staff.
It's just wild to see these tiny pockets of students that come together for something like this. You realize how big the student body is, how big our community is. It's great to see all the Blyths together.
Everybody knows everyone. We all know where every other person in the building is hoping to get in their personal and professional and academic goals.
I think it's amazing having all the schools come together. It shows the community we really have, and it builds a bond between the kids in different Blyth campuses.
I feel like everyone here respects each other. Everyone here wants to better themselves in every way.
We always have fun. We all get along, you know. The whole school knows each other.
I really feel that the Blyth community is just one big family and such kind people, and I'm just happy to be around Blyth people all the time.
I think what sets Blyth apart is our ability to do things like this and to connect kids who outside of a Blyth community probably wouldn't have crossed paths. And it just gives us a chance to do really unique things that you wouldn't typically experience in another setting.
It's really cool to know that there's not just one campus and it's not just one school, it's many schools, and we all come together and it's like a big happy family.